Hello, good morning, guys. This is another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can access your Twitter or create a Twitter account if you don't have one. So all you have to do is go to the Google bar and tap Twitter. There we go. I already have an account, so you can hit the sign up button here, Twitter sign up button. So this page will appear, and simply you just have to put your name, yeah, and the phone number, which I already have it, and easily hit the next button. By signing up, there is the terms and services and policies you have to read and agree. You sign up. A message is going to go to your phone, so you need the OK to accept the message. So confirmation code, you can write it down here. 3, 2, 0, and there you go. You need to create a password for security. There you go. Perfect. When I save my password, that's all you have to do, and there you are. You're already in Twitter, so you see all these tweets about people you got to follow. You can follow The Weeknd, Ronaldo, and go. You can allow the notifications, and that's it. Already in Twitter. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you next time.